Hello guys, James here. Well, I'm about on a walk. Looks like there's some icicles out here. See that they shoveled the snow out here, but it got filled back up. And the guys did a good job, so I don't know if they're gonna call the guys to come back out and do this other parking lot. And then, so God knows when we'll have the snow off the ground. Let me show you something right quick. Yeah, all back there. These shoveled all through there. My neighbor had to park his car on the road. I think he chose to park his car because the parking lot's messed up. Let me show you. Here's our parking lot out here. Yeah, here's the parking lot. Don't know how long this is going to take. And over there by the mailbox, can't get there.